I have here the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the biggest and best phone Apple has to offer. The biggest feature that everyone is talking about, which I'll get to later, is featured right on the box, and it's the dynamic island. But more about that later on. Let's take a look inside the box. Open that up. We've got the phone on top in their silver colorway. Some paperwork, including a SIM tool because this isn't an American model, and an Apple sticker. Still USB-C to Lightning, but there are rumors that next year's models, the iPhone 15s, will make the switch to USB-C. Now, when it comes to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, it gets the all-new A16 BIONIC. This features new sensors, a gyroscope, better accelerometer for crash detection. On the US models, it's eSIM only. This phone also features satellite connectivity in the US and Canada, which is a feature that will be rolling out later on this year. Comparing the display to last year's 13 Pro Max, it has slightly thinner bezels, a slightly higher resolution, brighter 2000 nits peak brightness. The screen's refresh rate can also get much lower than last year's model. It can get as low as 1 Hertz, or 1 singular hertz, an always-on display, which is a first for Apple, and the dynamic island. Of course, Apple felt the need to name their new cutout. It's supposed to do a lot of cool new things, it's supposed to do a lot of cool new stuff, it's supposed to show a lot of information. We'll see in the review once I get more time with the phone. The sides of the phone feature surgical grade stainless steel, and the back has a matte finish to it. When it comes to the cameras, you have 3 lenses, a wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. The wide camera has the biggest change in megapixels for an iPhone since the 6S, going from 12 megapixels to 48 megapixels, which should allow for sharper images and better depth of field. They've renamed their image processing to the photonic engine. They've also added a new video feature called action mode, which is supposed to greatly stabilize shaky video. Also, thanks to not channel sponsor Spigen. They just make nice, clean cases that keep your phone safe. The battery life on the 14 Pro Max is supposed to be better than the 13 Pro Max, allowing up to 29 hours of video playback. In terms of price, the 14 Pro starts at $999 and the 14 Pro Max starts at $1099. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me while I review the phone. Till next time, take it easy. Peace.